It's gonna be a complimation.
It's not good. It's not good for my ears. My ears.
Yes, sir.
Jesus. What happened?
What's more? What's more?
Jesus. Hey, what? That's enough.
Didn't work right.
Want some more? Are you mad? Oh, Corbin, chill.
Oh, god dang it.
Crap. Don't you even dare. You better not.
It's not working.
You know what? You better hide his work, because I might wake you up with that thing tomorrow morning.
I always hide it. Do you know we have two of them?
Kodak child, I will be where I'm at. We finally made it. Told my mama we ain't gotta spread no more. Yeah, no more unemployed.